And tell our park. You want to explain more about
Our park is handicap accessible, and it's one of the best parks.
Breaks the laser when it reaches a certain level. The transit dump will go to that building and collect all the trash.
So this is Governor's City, and it's located on Governor's Island in New York. And 200 years ago, it was a military base. So we still have some of the old forts, and we converted them to museums and monuments so that we can remember what the island was once used for.
Okay, so it uses magnetic repulsion, and in real life, calculating it to scale, this will generate the speeds up to 500 miles per hour.
It does open. Oh, it does?
Definitely wanted industrial out of the way because industrial is not exactly a pretty sight. So we put it all underneath, also leaving us room for expansion. And since we are on a series of multiple islands, you have the cliffs, and that's all taken into consideration. So we have our main commercial center in the center, that way it's accessible to everybody, and our residential over here, which continues on this way.
Education is mainly in the residential area, so a lot of students and residents can get to the K-12 school fast enough using our aero pods.